Yes, friends, we will activate the daily code in Hamster Kombat and earn 1 million tokens from here. How do we do this? Friends, today's code is Delight. In English, it's D-E-L-I-G-H-T. We will write it in Morse code. I'm starting. Our first letter is D. So, D. Long. Short taps. So I press the screen a bit longer. I also press quickly twice. Our next letter is E. One short touch. I touched and released. Our next letter, friends, is L. Short touch, long touch, short touch, short touch. We brought L here too. Now I, friends, 2 short taps. We brought I as well. 1 long, and 1 short. And we brought our Y letter as well. 4 short taps. The H letter has also arrived. Finally, a long tap. And we brought T as well, friends. And we are receiving our reward, 1 million tokens. We will share these almost every day. Both on our YouTube channel and on our Telegram announcement channel, there is a video description available. So don't forget to follow us on YouTube and Telegram, friends. I will also share special tactics related to Hamster Kombat. We may not expect much from this airdrop. It has a very large audience, but friends who have been following for a long time may receive relatively better rewards.